In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create discounts inside of Shopify. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Shopify like you usually would. Then from here, you need to go over to the left-hand menu and click on discounts. Then you should bring something like this. And here you need to click create discount. And when you do that, you'll get 4 options. You'll either have amount of product, meaning discount specific product or collectible products. You can buy X, get Y. You can get amount of order, or you can get free shipping discount. So let's say I want to add a buy X, get Y discount right here. Then I need to click on it. And then from here, you can either add the method, you can add whether or not it should be discount code or an automatic discount. Then you can add the discount code or the title for the specific discount code. You can add a customer buys, a minimum of quantity of items, or minimum of purchase of items. Let's say I want to add $15 right here. And you can also add any specific products from specific products or specific collections. And down here you can also browse all of your products and add which type of discount needs to go where. Then from here, if you scroll down, you can add customer gets, which means customer must add the quantity of item specific below to the cart. And let's just say you gotta have 2 items in your cart, and those items can be either specific products or specific collections, like you have up here with the customer spends. And right here you can also select the products. Down here you can add a discount value. Let's say I want right here, you can either click percentage, amount of each, or you can add it for free if you want to do that. You can also down here set a maximum number of uses per order, like so. Then availability. And here you can redeemable on all sales channels you have set up. And here you can select either all customers, specific customer segment, or a specific customer that you have created. Then from here you can also add maximum discount uses. You can either add limit number of times of the discount used in total, or you can add limit to 1 user per customer. Down here you can also add combination, which either you can choose product discount, order discounts, or shipping discount. And down here you can activate the dates, where you can add the start date and the start time, and you can also select an end date if you want to do that. Up here you can see the specific discount code, you can see all of the information that we have made, and you can down here also add a sales channel access if you want to do that. But then you simply need to click save up here, and then your discount will be visible and activated. And that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!